What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Once again, my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and through yogi sciences. Chilling, I got my sweater on. We are in Florida. It's about 95 degrees outside, but I still got my sweater on. I love sweaters. That's the only thing I probably won't be able to give up in this minimalist lifestyle, but I got a couple of sweaters there. I can wear sweaters in the summertime like an idiot. I just love sweaters. So my Knicks, we're never gonna win anything, but I'm still a Knicks fan. Hopefully we'll do good, but that's neither here nor there. And what I want to talk about today, got my pre-workout. About to go work out in a little bit, but I want to show you a quick package real quick. Boom, Amazon, the best thing ever created. I know Amazon is like the Walmart of online. They're getting rid of a lot of people, a lot of e-commerce business, I think, and Amazon just killed it. The same way Walmart got rid of a lot of the mom and pop stores, Amazon got rid of a lot of the online businesses, but that's not what I want to talk about. Now with this, I did pay for this. Well, I didn't. Credit card points. If you don't know how to use credit card points, I highly suggest you learn about credit card points and how to maximize your credit cards. But I use my credit card points to buy this because, like I said, I don't want to waste money or spend money on shit I don't need. But I do need this because it's part of the business. I got me a barcode scanner for the books, so I can start scanning them and getting them out and going. I think this is wireless, if I'm not mistaken. Instant mode support, auto scanning with stand support. I thought this was the wireless, but I got me a scanner, a barcode scanner for the books. You need to scan them, and it's a whole big thing. And I also got me a Dymo printing for the books also. They will scan the books, high-speed label and postage printer for PC and Mac. LW. So this is for Amazon. Once you scan the books, you put your scanner, you print it out, you put you print it out, and then you put it over the barcode. Because once they sell it, they use that scan. They use the scanner from there. Boom, they press the button, and they go. That's how you get paid. So this is dope. So I'm still need the bigger one is a Dymo extra large 450, I believe. Is this the 450? Oh, well, this is the 450 turbo. There's another one for extra large, so you can print out the bigger 4x6s. So those are the ones that you used for the bigger boxes when you send out the books. So minimalist lifestyle. I know I got more stuff, but this is only for business purposes. So barcode scanner and Dymo label printer. So, and it comes with the with the software. I probably could have got it cheaper on eBay, but the thing about eBay, a lot of the people selling them, they didn't have the software. So I mean, I just used my points. So I got it brand new, so I didn't need my points. So minimalist lifestyle is happening. It's going through. Can't complain. Everything's going dope. Hopefully everybody's having a good life. Go in the description. Click on Amazon links. Buy everything in the world. Hook a brother up. I'm gonna put my donation link if you want to donate. If you don't want to donate, who cares? What else? Also, there's gonna be a list of books, Nipsey Hustle Challenge books. Books that he recommended and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make another video once I got something else coming in tomorrow. I got a scale coming in tomorrow, and then I still have to purchase the printing label, but that one's 180 bucks. I still have extra points, but what I did with that extra points is I took it out as cash, and that's going to my checking account, so I can use that to pay something down that I wanted to pay down. So this is a quick video. Once I get everything set up, I'll show you the setup, and I'll show you how I print the books out and print everything out and send the books out. And it's happening. Minimalist lifestyle coming to a theater near you. Peace.